Hi, I'm Max Hart, and this is my bike check. Basically, everything I'm about to say is subject to change because I'm incredibly, what's the word for that? Indecisive, that's a good word for this. And I change everything as soon as I get bored. We're just gonna bring it in, I guess. We'll start with the main bit. This is the Sunday Funday frame. This is the last kind of model they made, the last black one. It's pretty decent, I think. I don't like the 74.5 head tube angle, to be honest. It's kind of sluggish. I don't like sluggish. It's fun though, I like it. Starting next, the Odyssey GY3 bars. I like these. I threw these back on because I had the tree bars, and these are 8.666 tall. I've had them for forever. Odyssey Sexton stem and raw. Love that. Also have the tree wood grain compression bolt. Sorry. Tree headset. Nothing important there. Sunday octave forks. Had them forever. They haven't broken. They're under warranty, so I'm happy with those. A Claw Tech front hub. Laced to Odyssey Hazard light rim. Spray painted by yours truly. Stolen silencer peg. Both Odyssey Dugan tires, the new colorway, the gum. I like it a lot. Tree, I think it's the light sprocket and 28 tooth. Got it for like $20. Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, had those forever too. They don't break. I really like them. They're pretty light. Fit Mac PC pedals. They're pretty good. G Sport ratchet hub, 9-tooth driver. I got that for a good deal. Odyssey 7KA rim, also spray painted by me. It's getting pretty nasty too. Odyssey keychain, by the way. I love it because it doesn't break, and you can break it with an Allen key if you need to take it apart, which is pretty cool. United Stealth rear peg, which is really cool because they last forever. Tree Ergo fat seat. I like it. Keeps my bum comfy. That's how we like it out here. Shadow post, and that's pretty. Oh, and Dugan grips. I can't forget those. Love those. They last a long time. I built it pretty much for strength. I paid for it all myself. I have a job. I ain't no mama's boy. So yeah, enjoy me riding it. Oh, and thanks to cashbmx.com for everything. They hooked me up with really good deals. Thank you.